Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace a VW Jetta headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your brand new replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin any work. This guide will help you understand the simple steps involved in this common maintenance task, making it easy for anyone to follow along. To begin, open your Jetta's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic covers or clips that are securing the assembly or blocking direct access to the bulb housing. Carefully unclip or unscrew these components. Once you have clear access, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling it straight off. Now, with the electrical connector removed, you can access the bulb itself. Depending on your Jetta model, you might need to twist the bulb housing about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. After the new bulb is securely installed, reconnect the electrical connector by pushing it firmly onto the bulb's base until it clicks. Before putting everything back together, turn on your Jetta's headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reattach any covers, clips, or screws that you removed earlier. Double-check that all components are secure and you're all set with your newly replaced headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.